I can't believe I cooked for 30 people.
Man cooked for 30 people.
30 people? Yeah. It's not just me. It's for the homies. Yo. To the homies, man. I don't even have a drink. Damn, I gotta get my drink.
Hey guys, back from my 2-week break, and I'm going to show you how I fed 30 plus people for this Friendsgiving. A lot of it is just planning ahead of time, prepping beforehand, so you can just pop it in the oven and make it easier on your life. So the first thing I'm going to do is cook some bacon along with roasting some sweet potatoes. Normally sweet potato casserole in Thanksgiving time is usually very one note and super sweet. I feel like if you have a savory and sweet element, it actually adds more complexity to the dish. And let me tell you guys, this turned out great because this is one of the few things that got devoured. Take your rendered out bacon from the oven, then crumble it up and reserve some on the side with the scallions. We're going to top this off later when we finish putting it into our trays. Mash your sweet potatoes along with some scallions, sour cream, and then place them in the tray and save for the actual Friendsgiving day after topping it with your leftover scallions and bacon. The next is the fan favorite, mac and cheese. And since there's 30 plus people, I decided to make 3 packs of pasta for this. Through my hosting experience throughout the years, I feel like if you have this many people, it's better to have more quantity than variety, or you're gonna go crazy trying to make everything. So for this, I'm gonna make it as easy as possible. I'm gonna melt my cheese with some sodium citrate and some water. Sodium citrate is used in a lot of Kraft singles or Velveeta cheese, and it's basically the thing that makes it so that your cheese doesn't split from the oils and emulsifies together beautifully. So all you really have to do is just dump your cheese in slowly, melt it a little bit, and then keep adding more until you get a nice and creamy sauce, like this. Then just pour it over your mac, and once again reserve on the side because we're going to bake it on the day of the Friendsgiving. Now it's time to make some rosemary salt. Shout out to That Dude Can Cook, because I finally tried this recipe and it turned out great. Goes very well for the roast beef. All you really have to do is blitz some herbs, in this case rosemary and sage, garlic, and salt, and there you have some rosemary salt. We're going to use this to dry brine our roast beef. Feel free to use a lot because our roast beef is super thick and we need the salt to penetrate throughout, and it can handle it, don't worry. I'm going to let this dry brine in my fridge overnight, and on the day of the Friendsgiving, I'm going to take it out and then just roast it slowly. On the day of the Friendsgiving, I'm going to take my roast beef out of the fridge, let it rest for a bit, and then I'm going to stick the roast beef in the oven at a low temperature. We're going to wait until the internal temperature reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit and then broil to finish. While the roast beef is cooking, we can make our demi-glace sauce to serve with the roast beef. We just need to sweat some onions, cook them out a bit, then add in your garlic. Usual business. Deglaze with some red wine, and then we're going to reduce this. At the very end, I add in a cheat code, which is basically this demi-glace pack, which is actually really good. Kind of pricey at $3 a pack, but hey, you get basically 95% of the flavor with minimal effort to make it. Demi-glace is a very nice beefy, winey sauce, and let me tell you, you should definitely give this a try if you can. Just find these packets online. I got them on Amazon, and then you really just add it at the end. Finally, time to top off the rest of our things that we're going to put in our oven, like the sweet potato casserole with Parmesan cheese. Then we're just going to place everything in the oven, take things out as they finish up. I'll proceed to cut the roast beef for everyone while everyone takes something to eat, and a lot of hosting is just cleaning up and providing chairs for your friends, being hospitable, you know what I mean? So, hopefully this gives you some insight on all the work you need to do to host this many people. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at WeCanCooks. Thanks for the support everyone. I'm gonna start making stuff at my new crib.